Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking to highlight all of your best features, I want to show you this Heaven's Hue highlighter from Stila. This is in the bronze color, and I really like this highlighter because it adds just the right amount of highlight, a little bit of shimmer to just really accentuate your features. And it's not too much. So I like the bronze color because it's very natural looking. It just kind of adds a little touch of contour and that nice little bit of glow. I love that this is in a very convenient compact. It is a 0.35 ounce. Inside there is a mirror, and the product itself goes on super easily. It just kind of melts into your skin. It feels amazing. It's nice and lightweight, and it just does an amazing job at giving you a little bit of a sun-kissed and highlighted look. So this is a great option to place on the temples, down onto the cheekbones, on the brow bone, on the inner corners of the eye to really open them up. And you can actually apply this with either your fingers or a brush. Either way, it goes on really, really well, and it blends in so nicely. So if you're looking to add that little bit of highlight, then I would definitely recommend this product, and that's my point of view.